The reason why you come to a race is it's a race. I'm passionate about racing. I'll go race anywhere. You know, give me some water and some people to run against, and I'll ride against them.
I think what's great about the RiverRocks race is that, for one, it's bringing the whole of the outdoor community together. And also what I love about it is that Tennessee is supposedly a landlocked state, and I think a lot of people don't realize how much water there is around us. And for this race to be a part of the outdoor community, and also there's a whole lot of water here in Tennessee, even though we're in the middle of the continent. So it's all part of a celebration of that, plus the Blueway and the race course itself. This whole Tennessee River is gorgeous. So it's all to support that. So I think that's why the race is great.
And these are all participation sports. So not spectator sports, or participation sports. And we have a firm belief that more people should be participators. We love spectating. We love that, but we think we should be participators as well. Behind restrictions we hide, that clashes into fights, and addictions we can't hide, depression, screaming confessions, and a filthy mouse in a passion.
This is a beautiful venue, beautiful river, and we are enjoying using this in Chattanooga just like we enjoy the Mississippi River in Memphis.